Connections are poor. I'm
Wow.
just rusty, you know?
Wow. Wow. That actually hurt. On the screen, okay.
Oh.
Sorry. My bad. Oh, it is like Scooby-Doo. We're in a ghost ship.
This is awesome.
Sorry. Whoa, it's the end. Okay. If somebody tells me, I'm gonna fucking kill you. What if the boat breaks and you're like stuck in the middle of the ocean?
We're gonna break them during the thunder.
Ooh.
Good call.
No way. No
Storm's
fucking
about
way.
They came here on a boat. Maybe we can take it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a speedboat.
Sorry. Put him on a lifeline. He needs to kill to stay in your team.
He is on lifeline. He's pushing.
No,
He's-
put him on a life. That was really good. What? No, I'm not gonna play Apex, you guys. It's fucking 9 p.m. I guess we could play some Apex. I mean, I don't stream. No. Nova, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Nova. This is just one. 1, 2, 4, 5. But it feels like they make it out of plastic or something like that. Oh yes, this is my drawing of ape. Why is this so low quality? Look at it's bodies and the game is telling me to touch them and I'm touching them. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Connie?
I don't want to play alone. Who wants to play with me? I'm barely a millennial. Say that in English.
I'm the front master.
Aries.
This time.
Okay, you made fun of my jump again last game. That I had to play her, so I was thinking maybe that was a clue to the fact that she's like not part of our team or whatever.
Oh, you're at the distributor camp?
Oh yeah, we can go get that. Okay, let's go get it. Double the food and then toys. That's okay. That's okay. I can handle double the food. I'll just have to stream more. Whoa, what the fuck, man?
Who the fuck is this?
I don't know. It's the ghosts from the